Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a Dollar Tree haul. I picked up a few goodies and I wanted to share what I found. All right, so let's jump right on in. The first thing that I picked up was a bag of pom-poms, and I thought these would be super cute, especially the little small red ones to decorate a reindeer nose. So that's why I picked those up, and they're sparkly, so really fun. I picked up two of these wooden signs. They're probably a little bit bigger than 6 inches, definitely, maybe 7 or 8 inches, but I thought that this would be an awesome item to alter. You know, as paper crafters like to alter things, I picked up this one, and then I picked up this one right here, which I thought was super cute, which is actually kind of cute, but I want to totally do something different and alter this little wooden sign. And it just stands straight up so that you can put it on your desk or crafty space. How cute would that be to give to a crafty friend? So I picked two of those up. I'm gonna try to alter them. And then I picked up a bunch of these bags from Dollar Tree. I'm getting ready for my craft fair. It's the first week in December. And I picked up bags so that I could have something to put the stuff that I'm selling in to give to the customers. I was watching one of Amber's videos and she had craft fair tips for craft fairs, and one of the things that she suggested was buying bags and having like a nice presentation when you're selling your stuff. So I did that. So I bought some of these, and I bought several of these white bags, and then I also picked up some of these, they're called loot bags, and they're 6 in a pack for $1, and so I figured this would also be a cute little bag, and she had suggested these bags from Dollar Tree, so I picked up these ones, and then I picked up the little Santa with the snowmen, and then I also picked up this style treat bag right here. It has the little gingerbread men on it. And as you can see, I picked up several bags, and then I also picked up some of these bags because it came with a 3-pack. And I just thought those were really pretty. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them to put craft fair items. I might cut bows out of them just because I like the shiny paper, but we'll see. And then I also picked up, oh, I guess this is the same one. I picked up several of these bags for the craft fair. So that is that. And then I also picked up this little container. It's a plastic container, and I figured I could put a little crafty treat or something in for Happy Mail. So I just picked up one of those. I thought that was cute. And then I did pick up several of these ornaments. You get a 2-pack, and they're the plastic ornaments. And yes, I have paint on my hands because I am I'm doing a project. I recently watched Tamika, who scrapped a world. She did a tutorial on these cute little plastic bulbs, so I'm gonna try that. So that's why I have paint all over my hands. And it's really cool, and it's cool that they're plastic, so I'm gonna have fun playing with that. And that is it. That's my quick Dollar Tree share. Actually, I have one more thing. I forgot. If I can find it, it's hidden. I picked up these two little keychains, and I thought these were really cute. This unicorn pom-pom. It is really cute. It has a glitter horn. And then I picked up this one right here with the little ears. I just thought that was really cute. I could attach it to Happy Mail. So fun find there. So that completes the Dollar Tree haul. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.